Hi there, my name is Brad Funkhouser with Davis Equipment. We carry the Dalton Ag Shadow Toolbar line for Iowa, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. We are also the exclusive parts supplier for the entire lineup of Dalton Ag products. In this video today, I'd like to show you how the Dalton Ag row units are designed to be more durable and require less maintenance than our competition. Let's start with the Coulter.
Dalton Ag Sonic Coulters are top of the line, leading the way for smooth, precise NH3 placement. With a 21-inch razor edge blade, this Coulter will easily cut through field trash and residue, making sure you have a clear path for your knives and sealer to work on every pass. The Sonic blade is a first of its kind on a Coulter, and we've had great feedback from applicators on how well it cuts through debris. The 21-inch Sonic Coulter also features the same sealed Greaseless Hub that Dalton has on their sealers, eliminating the grease points on the Coulter and the tangled debris that other hubs collect. The urethane inner bushings in the spring are the same as the Dalton spring bundles, making wear parts easy to stock with multiple applications. The Dalton 21-inch Sonic Coulter will fit on your 4x6 or 6x6 bar, so it's perfect for anyone wanting less maintenance and a better Coulter. Now let's move to the spring bundle and shank. Dalton's heavy-duty spring bundle and shank are designed for efficient NH3 placement with each pass. The urethane inner bushings prevent the main spring from overcompression that can lead to breaking, while also maximizing down pressure to maintain accurate depth at all times. The urethane bushings are also easy to replace in the event of a breakdown. The Dalton spring bundle operates anywhere between 850 pounds to 1,200 pounds of force, giving you flexibility to fit your field's conditions. The shank is a 1x2 edge bent shank that is forged for strength and comes with pre-drilled holes for the Dalton sealer of your choice. Dalton has also upgraded the shank rocker on the spring bundle, giving you even more strength and longevity over the life of the bar. The upgraded rocker features side plates that completely encompass the pivot bushings and a gusseted bottom plate to add durability to the spring bundle. Like the 21-inch Sonic Coulter, Dalton's spring bundle and shank are compatible with 4x6 or 6x6 toolbar frames, making it perfect for any toolbar out there.
Dalton Ag has designed all of its row units for greater durability and a longer lifespan, allowing you to maximize hours in season and to shorten your shop time in the off season. Call Davis Equipment today to upgrade your toolbar to the Dalton Ag row units or to learn more about the Dalton Shadow Toolbar line.